Hey guys, this is SploitX. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will see how we can change our IP address using specific interval. So let's open our terminal here. First we have to install Tor service here. So let's get started. Sudo apt install Tor. And it's already been installed here. Now we will see if our Tor service is running or not. Sudo systemctl status Tor. It will say that it is already inactive. If it is not active, then you can use start Tor command and then it will run. And after that you can check the status with status Tor. After that we will install Tornet, which is also used to change IP address. Step 3, install Tornet. It will install the Tornet here. Then we will go to our Firefox or any other browser. Go to settings. Here search for network settings. Under network settings, use manual proxy configuration. Here I will pass my local host address 127.0.0.1 and specific port which is used for Tor network, which is 9050, because it will pass all of my traffic through this proxy and then it will forward to our Tor network. And at the bottom there is a proxy DNS using soft version 5. House check it, click OK. Now to test our settings, check if our system is connected to Tor network or not. Check Tor project.org. It says that our browser is configured to use Tor. Let's use sudo. We have to start Tor network service, which is already running. Then we have to give a command of tornet sudo tornet interval 5. It says that after 5 seconds it will change our IP address. If I will give it 60 or 120, it will change my IP after 60 seconds or 120 seconds with just 2 minutes. But I want to change it in 5 seconds. Count 0 says that how many times you have to change. So 0 means I want to keep changing my IP. I will click enter and now it will start Tornet. It will take some time. Now it's started and changing my IP address after 5 seconds. You can see now my IP address will change. I have to check if my DNS is secure and it's not leaking. I have to go dns-test.com. You can see I am in France, which is 178. Now I have to test my DNS leak. It will take some time to query different servers. So let's wait. Now it's saying that our DNS is not related to our location, so our DNS is secure. And in this way, our IP will keep changing and we will be anonymous. You can use it and check it on your system. If you like it, subscribe our channel. Tell them peace.